Hello and welcome to my video, How to Get Free Udemy Courses in 2025. In this video, we're going to look at several techniques to get two types of free courses. And let's begin by looking at those types. These are the types of free courses. One is permanently free. The course is actually set to free on Udemy and it's always free. No coupon or special link is required, just go to the course and it's free. Now, for a course to be permanently free on Udemy, it has to be 2 hours or less in length. The other option is to make a course free via a course coupon. Now, course coupons only last for a limited amount of time. Free coupons or paid coupons, so you can get either a discount or free. And they last for either 5 or 31 days. I know those are strange numbers, and we're going to investigate why those numbers exist later in this lecture. Given these two classifications of free courses, we can now discuss the 4 methods for getting free Udemy courses. The first is to search Udemy for courses that are made permanently free. The next is to watch for free coupon codes distributed via Udemy promotional announcements by your instructors. You can enable or disable these. If you have the announcements enabled, you should be getting promotional announcements, potentially with free coupons in them. The next is to look for free coupons posted to Facebook groups. This is one of the best ways that I've found to find free courses via coupons on Udemy. And the final is by searching the internet for a specific course to see what you can find as far as free coupons. Now let's look at each of these techniques one at a time. If you want to find the courses that are permanently free on Udemy, go through this process. Here I am on Udemy. Note that there are 2 methods for searching for courses. One is going through the course catalog by moving your cursor over the Explorer icon. Once you put your cursor over Explorer, a cascade of category options drop down. Now, the problem with this is it's hard to figure out the end leaf category over on the right, where it is given all these many branches that you can't see all at once. A more reasonable way to find courses is using search. In this case, I'm searching for ChatGPT, and Udemy is showing me popular searches using the keyword ChatGPT. It's also showing me popular courses. Now I'm going to press enter on ChatGPT and display all the ChatGPT courses. What we're interested in here is the filters panel on the left, but it's not displayed by default. So you click on the All Filters button, and up pops the various filters you can use to filter the courses that are being displayed. You can select courses that are 4.5 stars and up. There's 4,900 of these. You can choose courses in English. There's a certain number of those, and so on through duration. What we're interested in is at the very bottom, paid and free. Here we can click on free and display the 1,512 ChatGPT permanently free courses on Udemy. And here they are, by popularity. You'll notice in the upper right-hand corner of the screen is your sort selection. We're sorting by most relevant or popular. We can also sort by highest rated or most reviewed. And what I find particularly useful is newest. So you can go to a keyword like ChatGPT, display the free courses, and periodically monitor the newest free courses in a particular niche. So that's how to find permanently free courses using Udemy. Next, we're going to take a brief look at coupon codes, very brief. Why are they so weird? Well, these are the options that instructors get to apply coupons to a course. You'll notice free is on the row on the bottom, we have an option of 1,000 redemptions for 5 days or 100 redemptions for 31 days. So that's where the 5 and 31 days comes in. Now, with that information under our belt, let's look at the next technique, which is free coupons distributed via Udemy promotional announcements. This is an example of a promotional announcement I sent, and you can see that it has a coupon code in it. Now, this coupon code happens to be a $9.99 code, but periodically, instructors will distribute free courses via this technique. So watch your email for instructor promotional announcements that have discounts and free coupons in them. The next technique that we're going to look at is free coupons posted to Facebook groups. Now, this is one of the most successful ways to find free courses, other than looking for permanently free on Udemy. What you do is you log into Facebook and click on the little house to go to your home. You should see this panel to the left where you have groups. Click on the groups button. You'll be presented with the various groups that you're in and given an option to search for all groups on Facebook. In the search box, enter your search criteria. And this, what we're looking for, is Udemy coupons. When we press enter on that, we see all the Udemy coupon groups. You can then click join to join the group and visit to visit the group to see what coupons are available. Here we're looking at the Udemy coupons group, and we can browse through all the coupons or click on the search button and enter a search criteria like ChatGPT. Now the ChatGPT courses that are in this coupon group are being displayed. Just click on the course and you'll be taken to Udemy for either a discount or free, depending on which kind of group you join and visit. The final technique is to search the internet for free course coupons. To do this, come to a course that you're interested in and copy, select, drag your cursor over the title of the course, right-click and say copy, and then come over to a Google search screen, paste the name of the course, and put the word coupon on the end. The result of this search will be potential coupon codes for this course. This is a last-ditch desperate effort. I find that it doesn't really work that often. This has been how to get free Udemy courses in 2025. I'm Brian Jackson, and I'll see you in the classroom.